Good morning, students. Dear students, today we will be learning a new topic in chapter 4 adjectives. Okay, in chapter 4 adjectives, in yesterday's class, on Friday's class, we learned about degrees of comparison. This also is a part of it. Okay, this also is a part of it. Usage of adjectives. Adjectives of number and quantity. Okay, adjectives of number and quantity. So here the table is given. See here, quantity: any, some, few, or few, and the few. And what are the usage of it? And here in the third table they have given the example of it. So first one, let us take any. Okay, any is used for the negative sentence. How it is used? I don't have any work right now. Okay, second one is some. Some is in affirmative sentence when a positive answer is expected from a question. So what is positive answer? See here, I have some biryani left from last night's dinner. So here the positive affirmative sentence, because at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. Okay, at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. So this is an affirmative sentence. Okay, and positive answer. Okay, do you want some help in carrying those books to the library? Okay, from a question, positive answer. Okay, so both the sentences are of about an adjective of number some. Few or few, the few, for countable noun in sentence. Okay, for the countable noun in a sentence, a few is used. Okay, I can lend you some books from a few that I have. Okay, see here, in this sentence, I can lend you some books from a few that I have. Okay, a few is used for the countable noun. Dear students, what is countable noun? Countable noun is the things which we can easily count it. Now let's go to the second one. A few refers to a handful or some. So I have to buy some story books this year, as I have a few books at home. Hardly any means थोड़ी सी है, उसे ज़्यादा नहीं है. And the last point is few refers to almost none or virtually zero. Virtually zero means almost zero. Okay, for the example, I can give any away the few books that I have to the school library when I go away. So we learned any, some, a few, and the few. Okay, and the few. Now let us go on the page number 38. Page number 38, again we continue with the same table, adjectives. Okay, we continue with the same table, that is adjective. Okay, what is that? Little, a little, and the little. For uncountable nouns, we learned few, a few, and the few. That is for the countable nouns, dear students. And little, a little, and the little, that is for the uncountable nouns. There was little information on the subject. Negative sense, hardly any. Means in the negative point it is written, because there were very little information, hardly or little information. There is a little tea left in the teapot. Would you like to have it? Some through a very small quantity, a very less quantity of tea is left in the teapot. The little sugar that you added to the tea is just perfect. Okay, all of it, though less in quantity. So the little, a little, and the little is used for the uncountable noun, and few, a few, and the few is used for the countable noun. Many, to indicate the number of countable nouns. Many years ago, dear students, many and much we learned when I taught you the nouns countable and uncountable. So many is used for the countable and much is used for the uncountable noun. Okay, much is used for the uncountable noun to indicate the number of countable nouns and to indicate the quantity of the uncountable nouns. Much time has been spent in planning the event. Now let's go through the exercise. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives of number and quantity. So the students of class 7A are planning to buy. Now, planning to buy students, it is in the uncountable noun. Okay, uncountable students is an countable noun. So we can count how many students are there in class 7A and they are planning to buy a dash books and flowers for their class teacher. So a few books and flowers for their class teacher. Second is, I don't have negative form it is. Okay, I don't have dash blank pages left in my school diary. Any blank pages. Okay. How? See again how is used. So how, with the how we use always many. So how many sweets can you eat at a time? Countable nouns. You don't have dash time left for the preparation for exams. Much. Okay. You don't have much time left for the preparation for exams. Number 5, your examination is going to begin in dash days. You can use a few also and some days also you can use. Okay, dear students. Yes, in the previous page table it is given with a few you can use some days also. Okay. You have to complete your syllabus within the few days that are left. The few days that are left. Could you please allow me some time for the submission of my project? Okay. Would you please allow me some time to submission of my project? And the number 8 is, how do you plan to finish the project within this much time? This much time means within a little time how will you able to complete your project. So this is the exercise we have completed. Then on the previous page we have completed this table also, and on the page number 38 also we have completed exercise also we have completed. Now let us go to this point, adjectives indicating age. Adjectives which shows the age. Adjectives such as older and oldest, younger and youngest refer to age. These adjectives are usually followed by then. Okay, this is followed by then. What is followed by then? Oldest, okay, younger and youngest. These are the adjectives that is followed by then. Okay, now let us go to the page number 39. Okay, 39. See, dear students, here the examples are there. Rani is older than me. Now it is in superlative degree. It is comparative degree. Rani is older than me. I am younger than my brother. Okay, comparative degree. Rani is older than me. I am younger than my brother. Because older and younger, these both the words, older and younger, both are showing. What it is showing? It is indicating age. Elder and elders are also adjectives indicating age, but they are usually used to refer to family relation. See, eldest and elder, both are indicating age, but they are used for the family relation. Gaurav is Saurav's elder brother. Yonis is the eldest son in the family. Yonis is the eldest son in the family. We completed the adjectives indicating age. Second point we are learning, that is adjectives of time and position. Adjectives such as late, later and latest are used to indicate time, whereas later, last and next imply position. Okay, I have been waiting for Gina for the last 1 hour. Okay, last one. She is later than I expected. Position. Could you please turn on the TV for the latest news flash? I like the later half to the film better than the first half. Position. First paragraph was before the interval it was good, but after the interval it was little tough. John takes a late night stroll. Speaking is the last thing that Frash wants to do. Please ask Raji to get ready for the next round of the competition. Next round, second position. Okay, speaking is the last position. Okay, so these are the sentences, dear students. These are the sentences. They are showing the time and the position. Okay, so in this paragraph, we did the first exercise, that was adjectives, number and quantity. But we learned uses of adjectives, adjectives of number and quantity. Second point that we learned, adjectives indicating age. And third point that we learned, adjectives of time and position. Now let's go to this exercise. Okay, this exercise is about adjectives of time and position and also adjectives indicating age. So fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of adjectives indicating age and adjectives of time and position. One, they have been done for us. This is to notify that the annual examination has been postponed to the later part of this month. Okay, time, due to the election. The last date for submitting the registration form will be 30 October. Though the students are allowed to pay all their dues by cash or by check, the latter is preferable. Those making payments on the last date are requested to collect their admit cards next week. Okay, so in the first fill in the blank, okay, it shows after the due to election time, because of the election. Okay, registration form will be of the 30 October. Though the students are allowed to pay all their due to cash by check, the later preferable position. Those making payment on the last date time are requested to collect their admit cards next week. Okay, let's go to the second one. Now this is about indicating the age. George, Sejal, Ajit, Farooq and Palani are 5 players in the district under 18 volleyball team. George is 16, Sejal is 13, Ajit is 14, Farooq is 13 and Palani is 15 years. So he is the youngest one, Sejal. After Sejal, Farooq is the Farooq and Sejal both are the youngest. Then comes Ajit, then comes Palani, and then George is the eldest among all. Okay, George is the oldest in the team. Palani is younger than George and older than Ajit. Ajit, though younger than George and Palani, is the captain of the team. Sejal and Farooq are the youngest. They are younger than Palani by a year. George is older than Ajit by 2 years. Both Sejal and Farooq are younger than George by 3 years. So dear students, this was our today's lecture. That was chapter 4 adjectives, page number 37, 38 and 39. With this lesson, exercise and explanation, we complete our today's lecture. We complete our today's lecture and our chapter 2. So all of you please complete this exercise in your notebook. Have a nice day and thank you to